What's up, everybody? Welcome to another one of my vacation workouts. I'm doing a real cruisy one today. I'm just going to be doing a little bit of flow and locomotion and mobility just to keep my body moving and do something whilst I'm on vacation. Okay, so I'm just going to start with my squat hip openers. Really just get my legs warmed up a little bit. The good thing about flow is that the actual act of doing it warms you up. If you just start gently and you don't do any of the really big movements first. So I'll just play around and do a couple of basic little warm-up movements. I'm really not training at the best time of day today. It's middle of the day. It's 1:30 p.m. right now at the end of summer up at Bellingen. So I'll put some sunscreen on today so I don't get roasted. And but that's okay. It's the last day of my vacation. I go back tomorrow and I'll do a recovery workout video when I get back. So I really just wanted to do something today. Always try and do some kind of movement when I'm away. Whew. This is the first time I've done some free flow in over a year now. Oh. Last year I've been focusing just on my strength training and building muscle and getting stronger and more flexible. So when they just started doing flow again, and this is the first time I thought, oh, I'll do some free flow, which is just doing 2 minutes of just linking moves together. So, whew, gets the heart rate up and challenges the mind. You got to keep thinking of what you're going to do next. I'm going to start doing this more daily, finishing my flow sessions with 2 minutes of free flow to get back into it. That's what I'm meant to be doing. I'm meant to be doing multiple sets of free flow. Oh man, it is hot. I went for a swim in a freshwater river just before, in Bellingen. That was beautiful. Had a lot of rain up here recently, so the rivers are all flushed out. And it was beautiful, nice and cool. Good little dip. All right, here we go, round 2. Let's go. Ah. Woo. Okay. Oh. Oh, I'm out of breath. I think I'll do one more, and that's good. This is how I approach my workouts or movement on vacation. Is if I get it done in the morning, which really just depends on what everybody else wants to do, because when you're on vacation, you've got other people to consider. You've got your partner wants to do this, or whoever you're on vacation with wants to do that. I'm very regimented with my training normally, like it comes first. So when I'm on vacation, I don't do that. I allow what everybody else wants to do to take priority. And so that's what happened today. My mum and my stepdad wanted to take me for brekkie. So we went to breakfast, went and had a look at some sites. And so now it's 1:30. And I know for me, if I don't do anything before, 3 or 4 o'clock, I start just getting in the mood of everybody just wanting to wind down and chill, because I like to relax a bit on vacation as well. So on a day like today, I just think, all right, I'm just going to get up and just do 15 minutes or 20 minutes of something like this, like a flow movement that gets my heart rate up, that burns some calories, that, you know, when you do locomotion and flow like this, it develops strength, and it you know, works on flexibility, mobility. So yeah, doing this every day on a vacation versus doing nothing, completely different result. This is enough to really maintain my flexibility, my strength, my fitness, stop me putting on fat from eating the extra calories that I eat when I go on vacation, you know. Woo! Ah. Short and sharp, but definitely gets the job done. So now I've done something, keeps me moving, stops me from getting back to my training when I get back to my home in a feeling of, oh God, I got to catch up from all that training I didn't do. Woo! And a great Saturday workout. All right, team, I'm heading back home tomorrow, my last day in paradise here. So I'll see you all for tomorrow's recovery workout.